Hello everyone, welcome back to the episodes by Sindhu Vlogs. So, as shown before, after traveling 577 kilometers from Hyderabad to Bangalore, we have started from Bangalore on day 2. So, we are going to travel via Mysore Road to Ooty. Please join us to see the journey and stay tuned. So when we reached Mysore, we had a small welding repair for the bike. So we had to see for a tinker. So while getting this welding work done, we have noticed a cute story of this man who is making a bike for his son by himself. So let's see that.
टू स्ट्रोक डाल देते ना। अच्छा
ये झाड़ काटने का है।
हाँ
ये फिट करके
100 मशीन
उसका फायरिंग किट भी इधर ही
ऊपर है ना ऊपर सीट उठ सब में
हो सर बना
थ्रॉटल से मारने वाला
अभी फायरिंग किट कभी फिट किया नहीं और फिट करके इसका सीट को सब सपोर्ट दे रही है ऊपर को सीट को बना रहे।
अच्छा बेटे के लिए बना रहे क्या?
हाँ सर
हैं?
हाँ सर
बाप बेटे के लिए बनाता है यार।
ये हमारा रिलेशन पूरा फोरमैन
हाँ
स्कूटर फोरमैन। तो ये फायरिंग किट रखने से ये सीट का ऊपर का बना लो।
हाँ
इसके नीचे फायरिंग किट क्या तो भी वे ज़्यादा ताकत नहीं ना।
हाँ
उसको अंदर से एक पीस ऐसा दे दूँ ऐसा फुल दे को वहाँ तक लाइन कर।
So basically he made this bike by using chainsaw machine motor and metal fairings for the body, rear disc and front disc brakes. Moving forward, memaithe next Mysore Palace దగ్గర ఆగాము. So we just stopped to watch this beautiful palace here. This is a historical palace at Mysore, official residence of Wadiyar dynasty. Mysore is commonly known as City of Palaces. So we met some more riders who were traveling on the same route. So post that, we are moving on from Mysore to Ooty. Moving forward, Bandipur forest. So because of the timing and the climate, జింకలు తప్ప ఏం కనపడలేదు. So we saw few deers. As you're watching, Bandipur forest from Karnataka cross చేస్తున్నాము. Post this, we are going to cross the checkpost to enter Tamil Nadu and then we'll be going into Mudumalai forest. ఇక్కడ కూడా no luck. Deers తప్ప వేరే animals ఏం కనపడలేదు. We thought we would spot at least an elephant, but that didn't work. Probably we'll try again when we are returning back. Hopefully forecast అయితే వర్షం చూపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి we can expect them. So Ooty Ghat start అయ్యే ముందు, this was one point where you can have some water, tea, coffee or any snacks, because after this it's like 36 hairpins and you cannot stop anywhere. So let's see what we can do.
इसको पढ़ने अपने
కాక్
ఏంటి
400 ml.
అంతేనా? 2 రూపాయలు
మళ్ళా
400 ml పట్టుకు మోసం 400 ml ఏంట్రా?
చూడండి మోసపోయిన సోను చూడండి. So finally the countdown for 36 hairpin bend starts. 11th hairpin దగ్గర ఇలా వ్యూ ఉంది. Basically these bends are very steep, so we have to be very careful. So finally we are reaching to the Sterling's Fern Hill. This is where we have taken an accommodation for next 2 days. Let's see how the experience would be there. COVID kada, every place looks quite different because of their rules and restrictions. So let's see how it looks. చెప్పట్లేదు కానీ లోపల టార్చర్ అనుభవిస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకో తెలుసా? చిల్డ్ వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ట్యాప్. ఆల్రెడీ క్లైమేట్ చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది. ఊటీ హిల్ పైకి వెళ్ళిన వెంటనే టెంపరేచర్ ఇంకా చేంజ్ అయింది. ఆ తర్వాత చిల్డ్ వాటర్తో హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చేసుకుంటే ఆ టార్చరే వేరనమాట. Finally, we reached to our room. So we have checked in right now outside the hotel. Mask compulsory, social distancing compulsory. Rules aithe pakka follow avutunnaru. Rooms are sanitized. If you want to see the view, it's like this. There are some beautiful places to explore. టూరిస్ట్స్ తక్కువ ఉండడం వల్ల, ట్రాఫిక్ తక్కువ ఉండడం వల్ల ఊటీలో ఒక డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటీని మేము ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసాము. సో జస్ట్ స్టే ట్యూన్ విత్ us and keep watching our next episodes to see all those places.